Today, we're going to dive into TikTok's audience insights tools and see how you can make the most of them for your business. So let's get started. First off, why are these tools important? Well, they give you valuable insights about who exactly is watching your videos. Knowing this information can help tailor content specifically to your audience's preferences, increasing engagement and reach. Pretty cool, right? To access audience insights tools, head over to the TikTok Business Manager or simply go into your analytics section within TikTok Creator Studio on a desktop browser. From there, you'll see options for viewing data about your followers, video performance, and even trends in the overall community. Let's start with Followers Overview. Here, you can check out key metrics like follower count, growth rate, demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. This section is crucial because it shows you who exactly is engaging with your content. For example, if most of your followers are young adults, you might want to focus on creating fun, upbeat videos rather than something more serious. Next up is Video Performance Insights. Here, you can see how individual videos perform based on likes, comments, shares, and saves. This helps identify what types of videos resonate best with your audience. Maybe short clips work better than long ones, or perhaps certain hashtags are driving more engagement. Use this data to optimize future content. The Audience Demographics section is another goldmine of information. Here you can see age ranges, gender breakdowns, locations, and even interests of your followers. For instance, if most of your followers live in a specific city, maybe hosting a local event would be beneficial. Behavioral insights give an additional layer to understanding who watches your videos. You'll learn about things like device preference, time of day when engagement peaks, and even how frequently viewers watch TikTok overall. This could help you schedule posts at optimal times for maximum reach. And don't forget to check out the Trends tab too. Here you can see what topics are trending across all of TikTok or within your specific industry. It's a great way to stay ahead of the curve and create content that aligns with current interests. Now, as you're looking at these insights, think about how they connect back to your business goals. Are there certain demographics you want to target more heavily? You need to adjust your posting schedule based on when engagement is highest. Remember, TikTok isn't just about creating videos, it's also about understanding and connecting with your audience effectively. So there you have it, a quick rundown of how to use TikTok's Audience Insights tools. By leveraging this data, you can better understand who your followers are and what content resonates most with them. This knowledge will help you create more engaging content and grow your business on TikTok. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful.